So I'm in Burslem tonight. It's the 9th of May 2025 and they've revealed the Lemmy statue. So we're going to go and take a look. So we're coming into Burslem and I bet there's going to be Motörhead fans absolutely everywhere here. You can tell that there's a lady there with a cowboy hat on. Burslem's heaving tonight. There's Motörhead fans absolutely everywhere in front of us. It looks still absolutely packed. There's people everywhere. Look at the town hall. That just looks amazing tonight. Motörhead fans in front of me there. And I imagine here in the square it's going to be absolutely packed with them. Here now where the statue actually is. This should be pretty amazing to see. And here we go. Here's the Lemmy statue. That's amazing. That's absolutely brilliant.
I always respect Motorhead today.
Look at that. Lemmy.
So the last statue I saw was actually in
Here we've got here with all the Lemmy fans. Let's have a look at it from the back there. That's just amazing. I'd love to be here for the revealing, but unfortunately I've had to work today. But it doesn't matter. It's here now. There's a big plaque on it as well there. Look at that. And the statue is amazing. Yeah, let's have a look at it from that perspective as well. That's fabulous. Absolutely amazing to have something like that here in Burslem. So there is a video on the channel, and there's a new one also going to go out tonight where we follow Lemmy from where he was born here in Burslem to where he died in Los Angeles, California. So that should be absolutely amazing to watch for you. So tune in and have a look at that. But no, that's absolutely fabulous. So all you Motörhead fans, you really do need to have a look at that and check it out for us. It's fantastic. Let's just zoom in on that and just check that out for you. That is just wonderful. So good to see. People are having the photographs and everything with it, and you can't really get anything any better. Taking pictures everywhere as well. So all these massive Motörhead fans will be loving this tonight. And just look at that. That's fabulous. So he's there with his guitar in his younger days, singing and just having absolute amazing time. Like I say, people are just having an absolutely fabulous time here tonight, just getting the pictures taken, and it must have been there a while, but obviously it's been covered up, but unveiled tonight, and you can't get anything better than looking at that, really. So I hope all you Motörhead fans are going to watch this tonight. Camera run, so you can see just the atmosphere and what's happening here tonight. It's absolutely fabulous to just be part of this. I should imagine this afternoon it's been packed.
Six times.
When no one's there. Actually, ever so try.
Take your selfies!
Lemmy lookalikes here as well. They're pretty amazing. Look at this guy. Look at this guy here. So Burslem, it's just heaving with Motörhead fans now. As we walk up here, there's Motörhead music playing, which unfortunately I will have to get rid of. But yeah, let's keep the camera rolling as we walk up here tonight with all these massive Motörhead fans that we've got here. So Burslem's just been absolutely packed all day long, I would imagine, with this going on. And there's some amazing footage that we've got. So look at the statue here. They've even put a veil top on that statue. More fans here now.